Our journey begins in the lush orchards, where premium pomegranates are grown to reach peak ripeness and flavor.
Skilled harvesters select only the finest fruits, ensuring that the skin is firm and the color is perfectly vibrant.
These crates are moved quickly to transport trucks to preserve the freshness of the fruit during the short transit.
Upon arrival at the processing plant, the pomegranates undergo an initial inspection to ensure high-quality standards are met.
The fruit enters the first wash stage as we begin the process. Please subscribe for more manufacturing insights.
Vegetated water baths remove surface dust and debris, providing a gentle but thorough cleaning for the sensitive red skins.
An overhead spray system delivers a secondary rinse, ensuring that every single fruit is sanitized before entering the factory. Human inspectors perform a critical manual sort to remove any fruit that does not meet the premium juice standards.
Soft rotating brushes remove any remaining residues, giving the pomegranates a polished look before the extraction phase begins today.
Specialized blades score the outer skin, making it easier for the automated machines to peel the fruit without damage.
Automated peelers strip away the bitter rind to reveal the jewel-like areoles containing the precious and nutrient-rich juice. The areoles are separated from the internal membrane using air suction and gentle vibration to prevent any crushing.
High-speed optical sensors detect and remove any pith, ensuring only the pure red areoles proceed to the press.
The pure areoles are now ready for pressing, where a slow cold press method extracts the juice with efficiency.
This cold extraction process preserves the vitamins and the natural antioxidants that make pomegranate juice a premium healthy beverage.
Nothing is wasted here, as the discarded seeds and skins are collected for use in cosmetics and fertilizers.
The raw juice moves through clear pipes toward the first stage of filtration to remove any solid particles. High-speed centrifuges clarify the liquid, removing fine sediment to ensure the final product has a smooth, consistent texture. In the blending tanks, the juice is standardized to maintain the perfect balance of sweetness and natural acidity. Technicians test the sugar content and pH levels to ensure every batch meets the strict premium flavor profile.
Flash pasteurization safely eliminates any bacteria while maintaining the fresh taste and vibrant color of the pomegranate juice.
Rapid cooling after heat treatment is essential to lock in the flavor before the juice is sent to bottling. The bottling process begins with sterile air cleaning to remove any microscopic dust from the high-quality glass.
Automated nozzles dispense the pomegranate juice with milliliter precision, ensuring that every bottle is filled to the mark. Metal caps are applied and vacuum sealed to prevent oxidation and ensure a long shelf life for consumers. A laser coder marks each bottle with essential batch information, providing full traceability from the grove to the store.
Premium labels are applied with speed and precision, giving the bottle its distinctive and high-end market appearance today.
Robotics handle the final packaging phase, grouping the bottles into sturdy cartons for safe transport across the country. Automated palletizers stack the finished goods with perfect stability, preparing them for the warehouse and eventual shipping. The finished juice is stored in a climate-controlled warehouse to maintain its freshness until it reaches the shelves.
From a raw fruit to a premium bottled beverage, and this process represents the pinnacle of modern food technology.
Every step is carefully monitored to ensure that the natural goodness of the pomegranate is perfectly preserved. Let us dive deeper into the engineering that allows this factory to process thousands of fruits every hour.
Sustainability is key, as the factory uses advanced filtration to recycle water used during the initial washing stages.
Food-grade rubber paddles prevent damage to the delicate areoles as they move toward the pressing area in the plant. The plates apply consistent pressure to extract the maximum amount of juice without crushing the bitter pomegranate seeds.
Ultraviolet light sterilization provides an extra layer of safety, ensuring the juice is free from any harmful microorganisms.
Maintaining precise pressure and temperature in the blending tanks is vital for a consistent and high-quality final product. The anti-drip nozzles ensure a clean fill, preventing any sticky residue on the outside of the glass bottles. High-speed labeling machines can process hundreds of bottles per minute, with zero room for alignment error. Quality control continues even at the packaging stage to ensure that only perfect cases are shipped out today.
Efficient logistics ensure that the pomegranate juice reaches consumers while it is still at its peak flavor.
Rich in color and flavor, and the final product is ready for consumers to enjoy all around the world.
This highly automated environment is a testament to the efficiency and scale of modern pomegranate juice production.
Daily sanitation of every surface is mandatory to maintain the highest levels of food safety and hygiene.
Precise air blasts move faster than the human eye can see, removing
Natural extracts may be added to enhance the flavor profile, depending on the specific requirements of the batch.
After clarifying the juice, the centrifuge is cleaned and prepped for the next batch of fresh fruit. Some products undergo a final hot water bath to ensure absolute safety before they enter the labeling station.
Vision systems check for any tears or misalignments in the label, rejecting any bottle that is not perfect.
Automated sorting gates direct the cartons to the correct shipping lane based on the final customer order.
The journey from the orchard to the bottle is complete, and the product is on its way.
The factory operates 24 hours a day to keep up with the massive global demand for juice.
Regular preventative maintenance is vital to avoid any downtime in this fast-paced and high-volume production line.
Managers monitor every detail of the process from a centralized control room, ensuring maximum efficiency at all times.
A constant supply of glass bottles is required to keep the high-speed bottling line running without interruption.
At the end of each shift, the receiving systems are thoroughly cleaned to prevent any bacterial growth. Monitoring the wash water chemistry is essential to ensure that the fruit is properly sanitized before extraction.
An automated size grader ensures that the fruit is sorted before entering the specialized rind scoring machines.
Screw conveyors move the discarded rinds to the waste processing area, keeping the main production floor clean.
Chilling the areoles before pressing helps to preserve the delicate flavors and prevents any unwanted fermentation processes.
After extraction, the leftover seed cake is removed and processed for oil extraction in another specialized facility. Large, sterile storage tanks allow the factory to buffer production between the extraction and bottling stages. Precise calibration of the flow meters is essential to prevent overfilling and to minimize product waste. Caps are sterilized with heat and steam before they are applied to the filled juice bottles. Powerful air knives remove any condensation from the cold bottles, ensuring that the labels adhere perfectly.
Thousands of labels are applied in a single shift, showcasing the high volume capacity of this factory.
Robotics increase safety by handling heavy lifting and reducing the risk of injuries in the packaging hall.
Heavy-duty plastic wrap secures the cartons for shipping, ensuring that the pallet remains stable during transit.
Cartons are loaded into shipping containers destined for international markets where this premium juice is popular.
The global reach of this pomegranate juice is a result of efficient manufacturing and international logistics.
Events. From the farm to the cafe, every step of this journey ensures the highest quality juice.
Cleanliness is the top priority in the extraction hall, where the raw juice is most vulnerable.
The centrifuge basket is designed for quick disassembly to allow for thorough cleaning between production runs.
Clarity is a key quality metric. and the juice is tested regularly to ensure perfect consistency.
A final polishing filter removes any microscopic particles before the juice moves to the bottling station. The automatic bottle unloader feeds the line with precision, keeping the filling machine constantly supplied today. High-precision filling valves prevent foam and oxygen pickup, preserving the fresh flavor of the juice. An automated checkweigher rejects any underfilled bottles, ensuring that every customer gets exactly what they paid for. Specialized food-grade adhesives ensure that the labels stay firmly attached during refrigerated storage and transport. Sturdy tape and reinforced cardboard protect the glass bottles during the long journey to the market. Barcode tracking provides real-time inventory data and ensures that the oldest juice is shipped out first.
Temperature monitoring in the delivery trucks ensures that the juice stays cold until it reaches the store.
The quiet night belies the intense and high-speed activity occurring inside the processing facility walls.
Constant analysis of production data helps the team to continuously improve the efficiency of the factory. The
empty crates are cleaned and sent back to the orchards to be filled with the next harvest.
The cycle continues with new saplings, ensuring that the factory has a steady supply for years. The first stage of the process is the foundation for the final quality of the premium juice. Hardened steel blades ensure clean cuts, preventing any damage to the internal pomegranate areoles during peeling.
The separation of rind and aril is a masterpiece of modern agricultural engineering and industrial design.
Vibration frequency is carefully tuned to move the areoles without causing any bruising or juice loss.
Each press cycle takes only minutes, and the juice is instantly cooled to maintain total freshness. High-tech membranes remove all impurities, resulting in the perfectly clear juice that premium customers expect today. Homogenization of the batch is key to ensuring that every bottle has the same delicious flavor profile.
Inspection of the heat exchanger plates ensures that the pasteurization process remains efficient and safe.
The high-speed bottling line is the heart of the facility, where the juice is finally contained. The vacuum seal is the final barrier protecting the juice until it reaches the final consumer. Automated verification of the laser coating ensures that every bottle is properly marked before it is labeled.
Final checks are completed as the premium pomegranate juice is ready for its global shipping journey.
From the orchard to your hands, this factory ensures the highest quality pomegranate juice in every bottle.